Keenan here. We just had a snow and ice storm here in Connecticut, and it's about 25 degrees out. I want to show you how to open your Tesla door if the latch is frozen. Model 3 and Model Y door handles are not powered, and they can freeze fairly easily. Now, you can just smack it a few times usually. So here's a better way. Tesla added the door unlatch feature to the app. So if you use that, it'll pop the door. You won't have to even touch the handle. Let's check it out. Let's take a closer look at that. It's as if someone had pressed the door button from the inside of the car. Okay, so how do you do this? It's the icon on the left that will pop the door open. Now, if you don't have this in your quick launch bar, this is what you have to do. You have to hold down in the area on one of those icons for about 3 seconds, and then you'll see the customized controls pop up, and then you select the open door. You can only have so many controls up there, so you may have to lose one in order to do it. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.